Is the revenue growth slowing purely due to weather reasons, or are there some other issues that we should be paying attention to here?
Yeah, sure. For the number of September, yes, I think it's purely weather reasons because the two weekends got wasted. The first weekend because of typhoon, the second weekend because of rainstorms. So I think the number has been weak just because of that reason. And if you check the visitation numbers in the October Golden Week, it's very, very strong. You see the number, the tourists coming in yesterday, it was far above the number back in 2019. So in that reason, we believe that the Macau gaming revenue might still keep being very strong, on a very strong trend in October this year.
What are we seeing in terms of broader sentiment around China's tourism sector given Golden Week?
Yes, we feel like this is going to be a super Golden Week this year, just because, people still keep traveling, especially domestically. But I feel like people cannot revenge travel more than 1 year. So this revenge travel thing started from early this year. So probably this is the kind of peak of the leisure traveling season for domestic market, maybe, I think. So we are going to see some more recovery on the outbound side, but probably a per capita spending still might be pressured. So the thing is that given that the leisure traveling might going to wane down a bit, we have to monitor whether business travel can pick up or not next year to support this growth. So that's kind of a bit skeptical because there are so many uncertainties around the economy in China as well.
Bloomberg, of course, has been running a story about pork demand in China. Is weak pork demand a sign that maybe consumers are still feeling a little bit cautious?
Yeah, true. I mean, not only the pork, but what we see is that because I cover restaurants, I see the numbers, the catering number in China in August was actually weaker than we expected. That makes me a bit wonder whether even the demand for restaurants is coming down as well. So that's a bit concerning, and the number is going to be weak for restaurants in September too, because less people will go out because of weather reasons. So I kind of feel that the leisure demand used to be very strong compared to other consumer segments, but I feel like leisure consumption might also kind of weakening maybe from August or September this year, just maybe except Macau, because in Macau we are having more a new supply, new casinos have opened, and we have more new stuff.